हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दें जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, जिसके हम टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। रेड इंक इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम एंड द आंसर इज ईओसिन। Second question, the roots hanging from the branches of banyan tree are called, and the answer is prop root. Third question, which of the following is not a natural occurring plant hormone? And the answer is 2,4-D. Fourth question, which of the following animal was sent into space on 3rd November 1957? And the answer is Laika. Fifth question, Chandra X-ray Observatory is a flagship class space telescope of which space agency? And the answer is NASA. Sixth question, Safeguarding the Global Commons report is published by? And the answer is the Global Common Alliance. Seventh question, which of the following is a nitrogen fixing bacteria? And the answer is Rhizobium. Eighth question, Linus is an example. And the answer is operating system. Ninth question, which of the following is not a wireless technology? And the answer is a conventional telephone. 10th question, which of the following rays or waves can travel through vacuum? And the answer is electromagnetic rays. 11th question, the concept of expanding universe, Big Bang theory, is based on? And the answer is Doppler effect. 12th question, lux is the unit of? And the answer is illuminance. 13th question, apparent weight of a body becomes twice its real weight in a dynamic state of a lift when? And the answer is lift is moving up with acceleration g. 14th question, freezing point of the fresh water is? And the answer is 0 degrees Celsius. 15th question, the first Indian satellite Aryabhat was launched in? And the answer is 1975. 16th question, MIRV stands for? And the answer is multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle. 17th question, which of the following is an air-to-air missile? And the answer is Astra. 18th question, who is properly known as Missile Man of India? And the answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 19th question, geostationary satellite revolves at? And the answer is fixed height. 20th question, what is the name given to India's meteorological research satellite launched in 2003? And the answer is Kalpana 1. 21st question, what was the name of the space shuttle that landed man on the moon? And the answer is Apollo. 22nd question, of the following Indian satellites, which one is intended for long distance telecommunications for transmitting TV programs? And the answer is INSAT A. 23rd question, nuclear explosive devices were tested in India at? And the answer is Pokhran. 24th question. Which one of the following correctly describe Agni? And the answer is a long range missile. 25th question. PSLV stands for? And the answer is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. 26th question. The Messenger satellite launched by NASA is to study? And the answer is Mercury. 27th question. Which country launched the world's first satellite dedicated to monitoring greenhouse gases emission in 2009? And the answer is Japan. 28th question. Which country assisted India to establish the Kudankulam nuclear power station in Tamil Nadu? And the answer is Russia. 29th question. Which of the following is a surface-to-air missile? And the answer is Trishul. 30th question. ISRO is the abbreviation for? And the answer is Indian Space Research Organization. 31st question. Where is the world's first integrated solar combined cycle power project proposed to be set up? And the answer is Jodhpur. 32nd question. Where is the National Institute of Excellence in the field of information technology and allied sciences proposed to be set up? And the answer is Allahabad. 33rd question. What is supernova? And the answer is a dying star. 34th question. An astronaut in outer space will observe sky as? And the answer is black. 35th question. The device in communication satellites which receive signals from an Earth station and transmits them to different direction is? And the answer is transponder. 36th question. Which city receives the highest cosmic radiation amongst the following? And the answer is Chennai. 37th question. Which one of the following refers to the first nuclear reactor of India? And the answer is Apsara. 38th question. Which one of the following is considered as nature's radar? And the answer is pigeon. 39th question. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is at? And the answer is Thiruvananthapuram. 40th question. OTEC stands for? And the answer is Ocean Thermal Energy Conservation. 41st question. ISRO launched the world's first satellite dedicated to education, the EDUSAT, in the month of? And the answer is September 2004. 42nd question. Communication satellites are used to? And the answer is receive and redirect communication signal. 43rd question. The process in which nitrogen is released into the atmosphere is? And the answer is biological nitrogen fixation. 44th question. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is situated in? And the answer is Mumbai. 45th question. What is the name of the light combat aircraft developed by Indian indigenously? And the answer is Tejas. 46th question. INS Virat serves the Indian Navy. It is a? And the answer is aircraft carrier. 47th question. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics is situated at? And the answer is Kolkata. 48th question. The premier National Center for Research in Space and Allied Science, named the Physical Research Laboratory, is situated at? And the answer is Ahmedabad. 49th question. What is the range of Agni-3, the long-range ballistic missile test fired by India? And the answer is 3500 kilometer. And the last 50th question. The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is? And the answer is 24 hours. तो ये थे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के टॉप ट्रेंडिंग 50 MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है द नेम ऑफ इंडियाज रिसर्च स्टेशन एट द नॉर्थ पोल इज। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।